All right, guys, we are very excited to present to you today the world's best fingerboarder. Uzi, would you say you're the world's best fingerboarder?
I don't know about the best. I said I was like S tier if it was Super Smash. Like Yoshi, or like, who else is
If you have any
tier?
idea what he's talking about, leave it in the comments below.
I honestly don't even know who else is like top tier players. I just always use him.
And you know what else I'm super excited about?
Maybe, I think Mario is.
Wow, that was a throw. I didn't ask you to like chuck it. Just kidding. You did great. You're doing great. Wow, what's this? You might be asking yourself. Good question. This is the Braille Skateboarding 8-piece ramp and rail set. One set has all this stuff. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you guys. Actually, I just want to show you the box here for a minute. 8-piece ramp and rail set, 2 mystery skateboards, extra wheels, skate tool, mini stickers.
That's you.
That is me on a box. This is kind of surreal for me. Once I see this in an actual store,
That's you.
I'm gonna freak out.
And what store specifically,
So,
may I ask?
the specific store which will be carrying this on August 1st going forward is Target.
Dude, that's the coolest thing I've ever heard in my life.
5 days later, it's my birthday and I get to go get it.
If you know us, you know we love Target. We go there all the time. We were there yesterday. We've done a lot of, Target. We've done a lot of videos there. We're excited. We're gonna open this up, set this bad boy up for you.
It goes on the side.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We have this series where we skate random obstacles. Sometimes the obstacles are random, sometimes they're not. But this is what we call a blind bag. So you cannot see what board is in there, but there's collectible boards and they're in there. First I'm gonna set up the ramps. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Another blind bag. Okay, we got the rail. We got the stairs. Wait a sec, does that look like that?
No,
See that?
yeah, it's a steep rail. when are we gonna fix it?
These guys are constantly complaining about the rail. Okay, so here's how it works. You put the black pieces in there like that, and then you just slide them in. Boom. Fits together nicely. What do we want? We need the quarter pipe coming up to the... Oh no, we want the quarter pipe coming up to the rail, right? Bada boom, bada bing. Oh yeah, then the ramp, then the stairs. You can't really hit that
Wow.
hubba very well though.
Look at that.
I guess you could go like this. Right? And then on top here, stickers. I mean, you could put the stickers however you like.
Oh, they come off like that?
Perfectly centered.
That's amazing.
The reason we want to make these stickers, by the way, is so you guys can just customize it however you want. I suppose you can put this on your door, your refrigerator if you want it. This is a cool sticker though, right?
Yeah.
It's the one and only time I landed a heel flip and we got a photo of it. I'm going on it right here.
Go.
Okay, that does look really sick. Okay, fingerboard anything. Open this up. You're from Australia, give me a knife. How did you open that?
There's a hole.
That's not a knife. Ooh, I like that one. Give me a kickflip. Straight up off the 3 block.
Dang. You see that, Aaron?
Wait, the frontside flip?
Oh boy. Okay, so as part of this, there's all these like collectible ones. What we got here is just like kind of regular skateboards, right? But we also have, I believe there's 12 different collectible skateboards. We have the glass skateboard. I don't even know if I want to give them all away. I don't know if I should say what they are. But there's 12 different ones and they're super cool.
Oh my gosh, Uzi's
And,
over here killing it.
So I'm at the New York Toy Fair and you know, there's like Target buyers there and stuff. And they're like, okay, Aaron, do some fingerboard tricks. And I'm like, okay, oh, I got you. I like this. Stuff like that. You get that? No, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, bro! I think that counts. All right, so now Uzi's gonna skate an iPhone tech deck.
Hey, Dan.
Hello.
Dan, get off the phone, Dan.
It's a tech deck.
Oh my gosh.
Plot twist. Somebody sent us this. And I don't know if it works. I don't think it does. But
You ready?
it does work. Because watch. Bam. It works.
Hey, Chris, I have an idea. You guys have heard of a series called Skate Everything, right? It's kind of this small channel on YouTube called Braille Skateboarding.
I haven't seen it.
Me neither. But I heard that they make a skateboard out of anything they can.
True. I've seen it.
Well, today's the day we make history. We steal the idea from Braille Skateboarding, but we add a little twist to it. You ready for my idea, Dan?
Let's hear the twist. What kind of twist are we talking about?
We're talking about fingerboard everything.
What?
Fingerboard everything. Why can you put trucks and wheels on normal things, but you can't put mini trucks and wheels on smaller things?
That's a really good question. I think you can do whatever you want since you're Gabe Cruz.
I like that answer.
I got you.
Do you believe that you can truly fingerboard anything, everything?
We're gonna have to find out. What is behind me?
Look at this. Look at this.
Drill.
This is literally an iPhone. my god.
Oh, Chris, play me skate.
Would you consider yourself one of the best fingerboarders in the world?
I would consider myself top tier, S tier,
Really?
as they would say in
Really?
Super Smash. But it's crazy. Oh,
Oh! You think you got a kickflip on this? Do you want to put some grip tape on it?
grip tape. Do we have grip tape?
Yeah.
Let's grip it. Do the grip time. Do the grip. What they doing over there? Can I just get a new sheet? Do the grip. Do the grip. Do the grip. I'm gonna get a new sheet if I find it.
This is fingerboard everything. You can take no shortcuts.
We need about that much grip. Okay. Clean. Clean. And this grip can still be used. This week's bizarre things you see. Just like tech racks. What would happen if you put grip on an iPhone? We have an iPhone here. It's not working. Doesn't seem, maybe it's just not charged. We're gonna put some grip on it. What kind of grip is this? Mob? Hopefully it's Mob. It's nice. You know what? It's pretty satisfying putting that on right there.
Probably feels amazing.
Yo, yeah, because you were asking me if I was good at fingerboarding. So kind of random story. When I was in high school, well, I mean, no one should, you guys shouldn't do this, but when I was in high school, I had a class that was supposed to be wood shop, but the teacher didn't want to teach wood shop for whatever reason. So instead of teaching, he just sat there. So everyone in the class, we made like a whole skate park out of tech decks, and we would just do that every class. So I pretty much got good on accident because I wasn't trying to, but it just happened because I had wood shop, I think, for 3 years or 4 years in high school. Same teacher the whole time. So sometimes you end up getting good at fingerboarding on accident. And that was my TED Talk. It's kind of hard to cut, to be frank with you. All right, let's cut it out.
Yeah,
What a weird shape.
That looks so nice. Oh, wow.
I just saw something, Gabe.
What'd you think of?
Why don't we make a life-size iPhone and make it into like an iPhone skateboard like this, except regular size, you know?
Someone wants to make us an iPhone skateboard. Leave it in the comments below.
Send it to us. Or leave it in the comments. Leave it in the comments and then send that comment to us. Mail it in the mail with the actual iPhone skateboard. And we will read it in real life. You know what I'm saying? We will check it out with our knowledge of eyes and our skills of feet and skate on it.
You have skills of feet?
I'm talking about skating,
Oh,
of course.
good.
Very good. Of
Dude,
course.
that looks. Are you gonna sand down the edges a little bit?
You think we're some rookies over here?
Oh my god, that looks pretty good, dude.
I kind of want to sand down a piece on the front.
All right, do it.
Just because Tech Racks, he always does stuff like this.
Oh,
Ew.
wow, that is horrible.
What about the sides?
Oh no! Oh, stop. All right, you can begin.
Please begin.
Look at this, absolutely official.
Yes, sir. I wanted to scratch it up.
What do you think you got on it?
I don't know.
Look at Blue thinks it's a toy. All right, let's go. Kickflip off.
First try. No.
Oh!
Oh, wow. Let me try ollie first so I can. Okay.
Whoa!
That was a fat ollie. Fingers are now.
Whoa! No! Oh no!
3 seconds. My body different.
We gotta get the hot glue. Break them off. Oh! Whoa!
You kick flipped it.
Oh no!
We lost.
Oh,
How did that even happen? Yeah, I got that 775 model.
Wait, can we just do like a dissection of this iPhone real quick? Look at that. What the heck? That's the screen?
That's that old iPhone.
Look, it has the button on it.
Break it, Dan.
Break it? Yeah. Hello? Who is that? So. Didn't explode.
Oh my god!
Wow, look at it bent. Hey, you could probably use it even better now. What is that?
That's the battery, dude.
All right, let's see. Where the guy's like, I'm scared to like investigate this.
Boom!
My body.
Oh, that's the where the SIM card goes.
It's got an Apple A7, just like Small Soldiers. You ever seen that movie? They get little like computer chips like that, and they defeat the other. Ow! I really just want to see what's inside it now. How many hits? We try to skate on it. This is fingerboard everything. Can I pet that dog? I want to get this battery out.
Rip it out.
Oh, you got a key? Well, really? It became just a dissecting an iPhone video. I'm scared. It's gonna blow up.
Imagine if your iPhone's battery was just shaking around in
Whoa.
there. You turn the battery into dust. It's gonna blow up, Dan. Look at the insides of that fingerboard.
I really didn't think that this would happen from a fingerboarding,
I know, right? You are the best in the world.
as I showed here. Well, we could try to put trucks on this.
All right, Dan, you fixed it.
Yeah, I've made some upgrades.
What have you done?
I pretty much Spider-Man'd it together with hot glue.
Hold up. Hey, this looks kind of legit now.
Literally just holding on there with gallons of
Wow.
hot glue.
And those
But
trucks
look at-
actually look
look at-
pretty official though.
See that? Look at now, you can turn.
Oh!
You can actually ollie.
Wow.
Oh!
Oh! Dude, that is a lot better.
Why is kickflip so hard?
So wait, these are our trucks, right?
Yeah, these are from the Braille fingerboards. Fake flip.
Oh!
I haven't got regular kickflips on these. Straight flip? Oh! I'm gonna kickflip it, watch. Oh!
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, that was.
Oh, we crunched the front end.
Let me see.
How does that even happen? Braille drop. I say Braille drop. Hi, buddy. Coming in hot.
Dan, what are you doing?
Stand back
It's not worth it, Dan.
for your own safety.
You ever seen an iPhone fingerboard down the Braille drop, Troy?
We about to.
NBD. I love how this is actually kind of dangerous for Dan. Oh! Wow!
Landed it.
In a line. That was amazing, Dan.
Finally hit the Braille drop.
Well done.
Hey, had to hit him with the razzle dazzle.
Dan, wait, where are you going? Come back. What do you think?
I think
Fingerboard everything.
episode 1, we hit some trials, tribulations, speed bumps, gaps, drops, hot glue, turned into Spider-Man. I hit the Braille drop, so that's all there is to it. Really, I'm glad to just make it out with all my fingers and no shards of glass. in my hand.
Seriously, look at this. This is dangerous. Dan, if I'm correct, you're now a professional fingerboarder.
I believe so. I have.
You wanna go get it?
Oh, I think it's in my pocket. May or
Show,
may not
show
have.
the world. This
I
is
may or may not have pocketed it.
This is history in the making. You started out just fingerboarding in your woodworking, your woodshop class in high school, and now he is
Honestly?
a professional fingerboarder with his own pro model fingerboard, not
Fingerboard.
fingerboard. The packaging, Dan.
It's official.
Your pro model fingerboard is going to be in Target.
Oh, 775, just like I skate.
You're gonna be there in Target. Everyone, give him a round.
I'm gonna kickflip the 3 stair, just for that. Oh my God.
Oh! What do you think that we should fingerboard next? Leave it right down there in the comments below. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and don't forget to go to your Target stores. Starting August 1st, they will be available in Target stores and at Target.com. We'll see you there.